Hey guys, thank you for joining me today. Today we're gonna have a look at the AP180-L and how to do layer 2 isolation on the access point. Please note this video has been done on the RegiCloud version 9.5. Just to give you a quick scenario on why we need to use layer 2 isolation. Imagine you run a busy local cafe. You provide free Wi-Fi to dozens of strangers every day. Without layer 2 isolation, a malicious user sitting in a corner could use basic network scanning tools to identify every other laptop and smartphone connected to your guest network. So, why would we enable the layer 2 isolation? We want to prevent the man in the middle, the guy sitting on the network scanning for other users, to prevent him from doing any attacks on your connected clients. Stopping the spread of malware. So let's imagine one of the laptops has a faulty antivirus or something, and the viruses are spreading to other connected devices. And also we want to make sure that everyone that's connected to the network does have privacy and no one else can see them while they are connected on the network. Just a quick introduction on the AP180 that we are going to be doing the configurations on today. And on the side note, layer 2 isolation is also provided on other Regi access points as well. So for the 180, we have a 2.5 gigabits uplink, and we got 4 physical ports that you can use to connect to, and also one is a power Ethernet out, so you can basically power a device with the AP180. Okay, after logging into the RegiCloud and you access your specific project, let's say for argument's sake this is our coffee shop. So in this scenario, when we want to configure the access point, you can click on devices and then you will see the access point over here. You can click this checkbox over here. You can then go to the eWeb of the access point, or you can go to the web CLI. So the web CLI, you can run commands straight from the RegiCloud like this. So you can just type a command here. For example, let me do like a show run, for example. You can just press enter and then it's going to send you the commands to the AP and show you the output as well. So in this case, I want to create a telnet tunnel to the access point. So you click on the icon of the access point, and then on the very top right side you can see there's an eWeb, a telnet and more where you can go to access the web CLI. In this case I'm going to click on telnet, and then you can see creation succeeded. You can log in with PuTTY. So let's open up PuTTY. Let me open it. PuTTY. There you go. So you can see it provides you the host. You can just copy the host, paste it in here. The port is the port ID over here. Just copy that, paste it, and when using PuTTY, remember to click on other, and then you can just click open. Okay, after logging into your access point, you can go ahead and just type in config T for configuration terminal. After typing config T, you can just type in WIDS like this, and then you can start by saying user, and then you're gonna get user isolation. You're gonna get user isolation AP, which means all the users connected to the same access point can't see each other. So you just want to type that and say enter. And then as well, there's user isolation SSID. So this basically means any users connected to the same SSID, they can't see each other. So just make sure user isolation SSID AP enabled and user isolation AP enabled. And then you can just press enter. And just remember the configs here, you need to save it. So after exiting the config, just type in WR. And then you can see it's building configuration. And it's okay. So now you can just do like a show run, for example, and then you can see WIDS, and we have our 2 isolations enabled. So all users connected to the same access point or SSID, they won't be able to see any other users on the Wi-Fi. So this is how you do that, layer 2 isolation in the CLI. Okay, So this is our AP180. I just wanted to show an illustration form as well and the conclusion for doing the layer 2 isolation. Just to show you, you can see each user is in its own bubble and like a red line between them, basically showing each user as their own network, you can say, almost, and isolated, and all the other users are invisible to the user. And on the right side you can see this is the setup without any layer 2 isolation, basically, where all the users connected to the access point or SSID, they can all see each other, ping and connect to each other and do network scans as well. So this is just to show you in the illustration form what is layer 2 isolation on an access point. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope this layer 2 isolation with the CLI assisted you to ensure you have layer 2 isolation enabled for your users. If you have any comments or any other problems, you can comment on this video, or you can send us an email to service_rj@reg.com, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.